I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo983 here. I hope you're having a great day. It's been a crazy week this week. Market's been up and down and going down overall. And looks like we'll have a recovery coming up soon. And hopefully markets push back up and all the earnings are coming up. So today I got a special for you. I'm going to be showing you my trading room channel that I made on Discord app. And it's right over here. It's called Pinnacle Trading, and just have some day trading and swing trading and long-term investing alerts. Got the watch list over here, and we got a chat room right over here just for people to chat. And these are the main alerts that I've been doing. I've been posting all my trades on here. So if you've seen my videos, I do call out the swings and my investments and the trades on my videos, but it's easier for me to put all the trades on the Discord chat room, so just so that people can have the instant access to it and they can stay updated to it on their phone or on the laptop or wherever you are logged in on here. So I'm going to be posting my watch list soon once I get more members, and we can also post winning trades and people's goals and dreams, and we also have the voice chat. I'll be doing that in the mornings if you guys want to join. So once we get more people on here, once we have a good amount of people, we'll do the voice chat just so that people can do some day trading or swing trading or investing together, and you can talk to each other and post your trades and just talk about, if you need help, and I'll also be doing some education videos and posts on here. So right now, if you look at the long-term chat, I got some of my friends on here and some people from Stock Twits on here. So they just post their trades, and we also have watch lists for swing trading and investment watch lists, and we'll be posting that every day, and I'll be updating this by the minute. As soon as I get in a trade or as I'm about to, I'm going to be posting my trades on here. So it's a great way to share and also collect trades and look at my entry, exit, and what I think about the stock or the ETF or investment. And if you look at some example trades over here, I've been trading Apple. I call them my CSX trade, DHI trade, AMD, and I'm going to be saying where I took profits and if I'm holding however much shares I am. So it's just a great way to stay tuned and stay updated on my trades. And you can also post yours and talk to other people. And if you haven't already, go in and click subscribe and click the bell button. I'm going to be posting the link to the Discord chat room. It's going to be right over here. This is a link right here, but I'm going to be posting that in the description below. So go ahead and click subscribe and the like button and join the chat room. It's completely free. It's not paid, nothing. It's completely free for you guys to join. So go ahead and post your trades on there, and we'll be doing the live chat room and maybe some live trading coming up soon. Alright guys, take care.